So welcome to the 4x4 walk around. As you can see in the front, we've got belt securement and we also have an emergency stop. Coming around to the other corner, you can see another belt securement and another emergency stop. Cable management and belts running down this side. Easy access emergency stops on the back. Inductive proximity sensor for lower and upper limit on the x-axis. Access panel. Cable tray big enough to hold your Hypertherm 105 amp cables. More emergency stops. And you can see the belt and idler system under here for maximum versatility and simplicity. You can swap out all your belts in under 5 minutes. On the Z axis we have our probe proximity switch, and we have our upper and lower Z proximity switch. The probe is a simple pressure switch that detects when you've touched the plate. Grease nipples everywhere for the win. Micro adjustable limit switch end stop tabs. And to remove the belt has never been more simple. You just undo this one securement. And you can use pliers or you can use your hand and you can pull the belt tight. You can release it from this position easily and swap it out for a new one in just a couple minutes. So now we need to just load our G-code file, navigate to the driver folder where it's located. Once you've made your selection, you can go ahead and home your machine to square and position it. So I actually tweaked the machine out of square so you could see as it squares itself how simple it is. So now we just need to navigate our machine using the arrow keys and bring it over to the corner of our workpiece. I know in the previous clip you saw this piece cut out, but I'm just trying to piece it all together for you. And make sure that we zero everything out with our zero buttons. Once we've confirmed, we're going to want to raise our Z up to give it some clearance, and then hit the magical start button. So the torque type controller on this model is entirely touchless. You don't have to set it between thicknesses, you don't have to set it ever. You just run your code. So now I'm just adding the clip of cutting out that G-code logo that you could see previously.